Hello friends, welcome to GK EduZone.
Who was the first Governor General in India? Warren Hastings. Who was the last Governor General in India? Chakrabarti Rajgopalachari. Which Governor General introduced income tax in India? Lord Canning. Which Governor General introduced railway in India? Lord Dalhousie. Who had implemented the doctrine of lapse policy in India? Lord Dalhousie. Who is known as the father of local self-government? Lord Ripon. Which British governor implemented the dual system of government? Robert Clive. Who was the Viceroy of India when Indian University Act 1904 was passed? Lord Curzon. Who was the first Viceroy of India? Lord Canning. Who was the first Governor General of Bengal? Warren Hastings. Who had passed the Hindu Widows Remarriage Act 1856? Lord Canning. Who is known as the founder of Indian National Congress? Alan Octavian Hume. Who first translated Bhagavad Gita to English? Charles Wilkins. Which is the first Indian Education Commission? Hunter Commission. In which place did Satyagraha first started by Mahatma Gandhi? Champaran. Dandi March was begun on 12th March 1930. Gandhi-Arvind Pact was signed in 5th March 1931. Who is known as the political guru of Mahatma Gandhi? Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Who is referred to as Frontier Gandhi? Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Who was the first to address Mahatma Gandhi as the father of nation? Subhash Chandra Bose. Who addressed Gandhiji as one-man boundary force? Lord Mountbatten. The first battle of Panipat 1526 was fought between Babur and Lodi dynasty. The second battle of Panipat 1556 was fought between Akbar and Himu. The first Round Table Conference in London was held in the year 1930. When the Indian Independence Act 1947 was passed by the British Parliament. On 5th July 1947. Who was the founder of Pal dynasty in Kamrup? Brahmapal. Who was the founder of Gupta dynasty? Sri Gupta. Who was the founder of Lodi dynasty in India? Bahlul Lodi. Who was the founder of slave dynasty in Delhi? Qutbuddin Aibak. Din-e-Ilahi religion was founded by Akbar. Who was the Mughal emperor to issue gold coin? Humayun. The famous Persian poet Amir Khosrow lived in the court of Alauddin Khilji. Who wrote the biography of Akbar, Akbarnama? Abul Fazl. Who was the author of the book Ramcharitra-Manas? Tulsidas. Who is the writer of the book Ratnavali? Harshvardhan. Who is the writer of the book Panchatantra? Vishnu Sharma. The poem Meghdut was written by Kalidas. The book Harshacharita was written by Banbhatta. Who said, Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it? Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Who Which party was formed by Subhash Chandra Bose after leaving Congress Party in 1939? Forward Bloc. The national song of India, Vande Mataram, was first published in which novel in 1882? Anandamath. Who was the last Sikh Guru? Guru Gobind Singh. What is the original name of Ramakrishna Paramahansa? Gadadhar Chattopadhyay. What is the real name of Swami Vivekananda? Narendranath Datta. What is the birthplace of Gautam Buddha? Lumbini. The Indus Valley civilization belongs to which period? Neolithic period. In which period agriculture community was originated? In Neolithic period. The Great Bath structure found in which city during Indus Valley civilization? In Mohenjo-daro. Chinese traveler Huansang visited India during the reign of Harshvardhan. Use of zero and decimal system was introduced during the period of which dynasty? Gupta dynasty.
अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा है तो लाइक और शेयर कीजिए और चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। थैंक यू।